if impulse was a person, it would definitely be me. So this is why I have this on, but I just did my PCR test because I'm going to Swaziland tomorrow, and I decided I think 2 hours ago that I'm going to do this because my plans for the weekend were cancelled, and yeah, I just wanted to do something. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome if you're new. If you've been here before, thank you for tuning in again. And Vela, you haven't seen me straight back when I need. But anyway, today we are going to Swaziland. We're going camping to Swaziland. Guys, my way of packing is not gonna work, so I have to repack. Oh shit. Good morning guys, wakey rise and shine. So it's currently 6 a.m. and I will be leaving probably in around an hour.
Okay, so there are still people on the camp of the year. We normally have camps quarterly. We'll go to nature reserves or we'll go to caravan parks. So we have the whole camp to ourselves, so we can make as much noise as we want.
guys, good morning. Good morning. We made it in Swaziland. I haven't vlogged since home, and we made it to Swaziland last night around 7. Left home at around 7:30, so it was like a 12-hour trip, which was supposed to be about 6 hours at most. But you know how group trips are, people stopping by everywhere and, you know, just vibing. And the best thing you could do for yourself on a group trip is just don't be very rigid in your thinking, because then you're going to be frustrated. But anyway, we got here at 7, pitched our tent. And mind you, at 7, guys, when we arrived, there was dew, like morning dew. Sefoke, isn't sefoke? Kenga sped. Poka. And this was 7 p.m. So you can imagine how cold it was the whole night. But it wasn't so bad because I took my blanket, right? Remember the bag chaos. But we're here and we'll be having breakfast just now. This is where we're staying. I was staying in this tent. I didn't pitch my tent this time around because the ladies that I was with, they're like, oh, we have a big enough tent, and she'll be alone in her big ass tent. And then they like come through and join her, and I did. So I didn't have to pitch my tent, but I had a good night. I slept, guys, for like 4 or 5 hours, but that's not the point of the video. The point of today's video is that we're going hiking, and yay! Thank you for tuning in. If you are new, if you've been here before, thank you for giving me another shot. So right now we're in Swaziland and we are hiking for Malolosha Nature Reserve, hiking the Barberton mountain range, 14-kilometer hike, and we just started. It is now 10:30, very late for a hike, but let's see how it goes. Don't have a stick again, so I gotta find a stick because we'll be climbing and going down mountains and going down to the potholes. I don't have enough battery, but I'll try to vlog as much as I can. And yeah, stay tuned. is in. Currently ascending. Just after crossing the river. I'm here. After crossing the river, going that way. Coming from down there. Not too bad. What is keeping me motivated right now? The idea of a cold beer. Would I do the trail? Would I do the trail again? Yeah, someday, not today. How was it? It's an 8 from me. What would I change? Carry a lot of water and sunscreen. Overall experience? Grand. Hey guys, this is day 2 of camp. Day 3, second night, day 3 of camp, and I just got back from a jog/walk just to kind of recover from yesterday's hike because it was hectic, guys. We hiked from 10 a.m. all the way through to like 5 p.m. It is insane, and we got back to camp when it was already dark. And so today there was cycling for people that are cyclists, and then there was jogging and walking if you, whatever you prefer, or you could just stay behind at camp. So I just got back from a jog/walk because I walked the one way and then I jogged back.